Let me share my screen first. Okay, can you see my screen, guys? Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Oh yeah, Om Rafiq cannot join for now, but he is already update the funnel. Okay, so we'll go ahead for the from the first campaign. Okay, yeah, this is for the partner refund contract. So for the update, let me see. So for the this is the previously on the 16th, and then this is update yesterday. So for the contract list, it's 31 for the contract list, and then make the contract is 12, and then send contract to partner is 7, and then contract sign is 3, and then the news update is going up 45 already for the contract list that's need to be signed and need to be made, and then Ross is already make 19 contract, and then contract signed is already 9, and then 7 contract is already signed, and then the latest update just for today is think that's rise up for the send the contract is 13, and then contract send is signed is 2 more from the 7. Okay, thank you. And then also for the contract, actually this is the idea that we will attach for the file. It's on the bigger. So I still coordinate with the video or Mas Bayu as well, like to migrate all the information from the PRM to the bigger. So this is already lagi ongoing. So me, Ross, and Om Rafiq will migrate all the information from the PRM to only to the bigger. So for the next new member or intern, just only can check like one source, just on the bigger for the detail of the property and the partner. That thank you. And then the second one is for the community engagement. The let's see from the previous update. So from the previous update, for the contract renewal, it's two topic, and then birthday is one topic, and then for the key topic is 32, and then for the appointment is 2 for birthday and 7 for the key topic, and then the discussion is 24 previously, and then the latest update is yesterday. It's 19 for the contract renewal for the topic is already set up, and then 7 for the birthday for this month, and then already prepared for the topic to partner is already 60, and then already appointment for the birthday it's 6, and then appointment for the key topic is 14, and then discuss for the discussion is already 46, and then for the contract renewal is already 11 contract is already discussed with the owner, and then for the birthday is 4 birthday card is already sent to the partner and then on the Facebook as well. Okay, for the Facebook update, this is the latest. I think I'll just show here. Okay, for the topics, it's already 9 topics. Is already post on. Is already put on the Facebook group strategy, and then 6 content is already posted on the FB. And then for the C, or sorry for the engagement, like for the C is 15 for the first content, and then rise up to 17. People see the content, and then 16, and then rise up for the 2 latest content. For I think that's birthday card, that's a 19 and 20. Okay, and then for the like is 1 for the first content, and then 6, and then 3, and then 6 and 5. And then for the comment, it's from 0 for the first content, and then the second one is 3, 3 and 3. Okay, and then actionable insight is 5 for now. Okay, the next one for the cleanliness program. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me compare it. So for the response is still 91%. I still cannot reach some partner actually, but I had already scheduled it on the discussion management as well for the region 3 and region 4. I also asked Andre to give the number that active for region 3. Because now it's mostly on the region 3. There is some partner I don't have the contact, and then for the joiner it's rise up 3%. like we had contact the Asung, Butterfly in Canggu, and then Rama Village for joining, and then they agree because this is also like the mandatory, and then we cannot accept the booking if they not join the cleaners and then using the protocol. And then for the training as well, it's rise up 4%. Also, I had a training them as well with Om Rafiq, and then also see if they have already the what's called the equipment like a mask, glove, and then the disinfectant, and they already prepared it on the villa, and then ready to use it if there is any guest. And then for the registration on the Airbnb since the number is rise up for the certification, also this will be go down. But I have planned for today with the result, like how to register more on the Airbnb. So for the registration, it should be same with the property that already passed the certified like that. Okay, the next one is community page. Oh yeah, for the community page, today I will discuss with Dista as well. What is the planning from Dista? Because from the outreach, I think that's only very low. We got it's less than 10%, and then I think we need to check about the message again, maybe and then the timing as well. Like that. Okay. Then the second one for the reducing booking conflict, already training Ross because Gaby have a class and she cannot training Ross. So I had training Ross yesterday for the bigger, and then Ross will start this program on the Thursday, and then on Wednesday we'll start for the outreach. Okay, just that for the campaign, and then maybe for the I have put one more for the internal SLA for the Abrar for the clear finance report to the owner. So actually this is will be your internal SLA Abrar, and then I will discuss you about the new campaign with for you to run. So you can start for updating your campaign and then running your what's called project like that. Okay, thank you. I think that's all for the campaign update. I will move to the discussion management. It's here. Okay. So let's see. Oh yeah. So the latest update for the region one, Om Rafiq already done for the Canggu for the migrate for the bigger, and then on region two, may I know how many percent that you already done, Ross, for the migrate the bigger?
I haven't
Maybe your mic close. Yeah.
so I haven't yet because I'm priority contract document and send it, so uh, don't have time, but I will do it soon.
Okay, so maybe for this one, I would like to see on your calendar, like what time that you want to schedule it for what's called for the migrate session. Maybe you can spend like a 1 hour for a day, so you can budgeting your time like that, Ross. So because the deadline will be like in the next 4 days, so I hope all the information on the PRM is already migrate to the PRM. Yeah. Okay, and then
Okay, Kak.
for me for region three, it's already like 80%. But I need some more information from Andre as well about the partner and the squad three, and then squad four I haven't touched yet, but I will planning for tomorrow for start for migrate the region four. Okay, thank you. And then the next one, this is the new topic. This is from Ross. How can we get the full names of several property owners whose full name are not found in PRM and bigger? Is their photo KTP still there or safe? Okay, this is from Ross. Maybe I will try to answer it. So actually for the full name, it should be shown on the PRM. Yeah, because on the PRM, usually in the top, in the top there will be the owner name of the its property. Rose, have you check it on the PRM?
Yeah, I've checked it, but only like Pak
All
Eka
name.
from Kubunyang, his name Pak Eka. Terus apa lagi ya? In from other property, just like Bu Wayan, like Pak
Hmm.
Kadek, and I check it in bigger. I try to search their name, but
Hmm.
there is no their name in bigger too.
Okay, I see. So I think you need the full name for the contract, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
to
okay, for the
make
contract.
the contract document.
Okay, then so I will coordinate with Om Rafiq, maybe for fill it all the name of the partner, and then maybe I will also need help with the Wayan and then Andre as well to complete the PRM information for the full name of the all partner, yeah, Ros.
Oke, Kak.
Okay, I will update here when I had discussed with Andre and Mo for the, and then I will put the deadline, yeah.
Ya,
Okay, thank you,
thank you, Kak.
Ros. Okay, uh, for the I think for the next topic, this is from me actually. So welcome Abrar to the community manager, and then I also put the paper for you to read. This is the paper is actually the SLA of the finance. So I will just show you. Oh yeah, this one. So okay, so you will be on the accountant side in the top. So this is what initiative that actually you will make, and then the mission. This is the mission from the community, and then this is also related to finance as well. But the build trust and extend the partner loyalty through transparency and proactive financial work. So it's mean like because previously usually we will touch the owner if they ask first, right? But when you are here, I think we need our finance is more proactive. So instead of the partner asking, then you need to tell them actually for the report if there's any issue. Maybe you need to tell them like previously like okay, so this is your finance for your finance report. Actually there are some several payment is still pending or still on MB or there's error on Pioneer, so you can tell them like in the beginning, yeah, before they realize like, oh, what's going on with my payment and everything, so that that will be make the trust is low if the from the partner like that, Abrar. And then for the final segment, this is the community. So you will actually a part of the community as well for the finance customer support. And then the PIC for the PIC is system supervise. So you will supervise the system for the finance to the owner. And then the client will be CEO. This is right, Jing? Yeah.
For now, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then for the control, so you need to understand bigger about the direct booking and then the payout status and everything on the bigger for the finance, and then for the redas as well about the payout pending payout need to be rewrote and everything, and then the OTA as well, OTA payout activity like the Airbnb like how long actually the Airbnb will release the payment, like how to process the pending payment, how to get in touch with the Airbnb for the issue of the payment. So you need to know about this as well. And then about the booking.com, you need to understand like the times like they usually send the money or how to get in touch with them if there is any issue of the payment. And then also the Traveloka and Agoda as well. And then also you need to understand about the bank activity, the output as well. So I think Mbak Oyan already teach you as well, like how to check the payment on the M banking, like to match it like this gas with the value of the payment, and then make sure on the mobile on the M banking. and then the input and output. So you can read here the total booking. The input is total booking arriving at Bukit Vista, all the campaign, and then customer service request from the partner. And then for the output is all payment are traceable to end destination account in the correct split, BV and then partner account. And then request to community for training. If there is any partner that doesn't know about the bigger what's called finance dashboard, so you can tell us to training about the finance dashboard. And then for reduce frivolous request, persuade owner to use their own tools. So you also need to teach them to try check on the bigger first, rather than just asking you like what is the payment this month, this one. So you need like maybe pairing with the owner as well, like oh, so this is actually how to check it, and then maybe for the next month I'm not training you again, but you can check by yourself, and then we'll see like how is going, if you can understand or not by yourself, like that. And then resolve stress on the payment. And then this is actually the skill that we need for the finance is finance reconciliation, efficiency seeking through master tool, and then trace payment, data analyze, coaching and presentation, customer service and negotiation. Okay, the next one is the attributes. So never settles and details matter is really important on the finance. So make sure everything is settled with the correctly. And then the job description. So actually this is the job description. So you can start to read this and then understanding like your job description. So the first is patrol the payout using the payout monitoring and reconcile anomalies. I think this is can be on the redas, and then bigger, and then batch anomalies into weekly batch, and then report to owner in the anomaly batch about the payout issue, and then monthly reconciliation with partner. Debtor, we remove payment. Creditor, we pay payment. Okay, for the answer customer support call from the owner regarding finance situation, and then train and educate owner on using automated finance tool. Okay, so this is the budget time, delegation, and then also this is the training material for the finance, SLA and everything. Yeah, so there's also a text for the paper that will be help you for the understand more about the finance. Okay, this is the SLAs, 100% reconciliation in the next 15 days for the past 30 days. Okay, is there any question, Abrar, for you? From you?
Okay, maybe for now it's clear, but I just want to make sure
Yeah.
the paper, is it already shared with me or not yet? Because I cannot see any.
I had put on the discussion management and then already tag your name as well here. Maybe could you open the paper?
So the discussion management initiative meeting is already shared with me or not? It should be, yeah.
Did you get any notification on your email? Let me see.
By email, let me check.
Okay, maybe you can check it, Abrar, yeah. And then also, this is from Jing. Could you tell about the Abrar funnel?
Yeah, so thank you very much, Tendi. I was thinking about what Abra's updates would actually look like. So this is a funnel proposal. I'm thinking about essentially what are the different stages that Abra's work will go through. So essentially, I'll walk everyone through it. The first stage, I think, is to detect how many payment anomalies have happened. So every time you come into the Scrum, say, okay, today I've discovered 1, 2, whatever number of payment anomalies have been discovered. The second stage is notification. So how many owners have been notified already about these payment anomalies? Is it, say you find 5 and you've notified 3. So we need an update to see what is the progression along the notification of the payment anomaly.
Sorry.
Yeah.
May I know first about the anomalies? What is the anomaly?
Anytime we have payment not go in the correct direction, it's an anomaly. So let's say, for example, somebody cancels their reservation after 2 days. The owner has been paid, but the rest of it won't be paid, so there'll be a clawback. That is a payment anomaly. So Abrar will search for that. He'll find it and he'll say count 1, right? For example, for every time that has happened. And then once he's found a payment anomaly, actually, let me break it down even further. I can kind of clarify this, right? So payment anomalies, we already know when they happen. They happen essentially, when there's a early checkout, there's a cancellation, or maybe an alteration to the payment. These are the types of anomalies that can happen, and this has payout consequences because whenever this happens, then the payouts will not go according to plan. So then Abrar will notify the partners whenever this has happened, and then he'll keep track on a balance of the overpayments and underpayments. So in a case where there's an early checkout and the guest is canceled, but the payment has already been sent to the partner, then that would be an overpayment situation. So Abrar would say that this partner has been overpaid and we need to deduct. So anyways, there'll be essentially the cases for all that down there. And then in the final section is the settlement. Settlement. And that will be the last stage of the funnel. How many things are done? So it should always look like a stage. Maybe we have 100 payment anomalies. We've notified 90 partners about them. We figured out that 45 were overpayments, 45 were underpayments, and we've settled 60 of them. So at any given point, there will be a condition showing the stages of Abrar's work. That will allow everybody on the team to know what has been done, what needs to get done, and what is new coming into the box.
Okay, got it, sir. So, Abrar, did you get it?
I'm still not sure about what is that means, like the payment anomalies.
Oh, okay. That's the whole basis of this role. A payment anomaly, Abrar will need to. Okay, that's strange. I'm not sure. Has Wyatt shown you what causes anomaly? Means a payment that has gone into or it means essentially an underpayment or an overpayment. So somebody has not been paid correctly. Okay. For example, Airbnb releases an owner's payout 2 days after or a day after the guest is checked in. Okay. So let's say a guest books 5 days with us, Abrar. They check in on Monday and they're supposed to check out on Friday. All right. So what happens is Monday they check in. Tuesday, the payment goes out to the owner and to Book Vista. Wednesday, they decide to cancel, right? And they get a refund for Thursday and Friday. Okay. So problem is that the owner and Book Vista have been paid already.
Yeah.
Okay. So what does Airbnb do? Airbnb throws a deduction into the account, right? So we need to find where that deduction has happened and did it affect the correct owner. Sometimes the deduction is to the next payout. So it might not be for this particular owner. So another owner might be affected by it. That is what we call a payment anomaly. That is essentially where the payment does not go where it's supposed to go. All right. And a deduction happens where it's not supposed to happen. There's other situations like this too. Maybe perhaps somebody does an early checkout and then they get a refund and then we need to pull money away from the payment that's already been paid to an owner in order to give that refund. That's another payment anomaly. So any type of early checkout usually requires a payment anomaly. Yeah.
All right.
But there's more. But I think we've classified these already, and Wayana should be able to tell you which are the types of situations that create payment anomalies. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Jing. So yeah, actually maybe I will tell Abrar as well. So the payment anomaly as well, like the example like on the redash, there's like that you have been see before. with Wayana. That's a Redas. That's like some bank account that's actually going to the our bank account, and then or the some payment is not paying yet. After 2 weeks or 3 weeks, it's kind of like the list on the Redas that need to be fixed.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then so for this one, I think this will be can put on the, I think on campaign, sir, yeah, for this funnel.
I think so.
Yeah, I think on the campaign. So I think Abrar, you need to thinking like what the title of the campaign that's for this funnel, and then I will coordinate with you as well. Okay, thank you for this one. Okay, is there any topic that you guys want to discuss, or maybe from Abrar, do you have any topic that you want to discuss with community? From Ross, do you have any topic?
Yep, Kak, about commission announcement strategy. So I will announce. No, I will chat the owner from region 2 and 4. So after I chat them and I contact them about to talk about commission, Kak Tendi yang explain the commission or me.
Okay, so actually, if you can see on the community engagement, yes, Ross, yeah, engagement board, actually, or is already assigned here. Yeah, so you can put the result here. I will also maybe for example, like if you can see on the below, like about like we talk about the commission, what is the result? Maybe you can see on here as well. Like is that like this one, like he said, like this one, and then like what is the response of the owner after you tell about the commission structure? Yeah, I think for the commission structure you already see like how I deliver to the partner on the partner talk as well with Pak Eka. So mostly like that, how you deliver the information to the partner.
Okay, Kak.
Okay, yeah, maybe if in the first time you want to try, you can just invite me on the WhatsApp call. So I will just shadowing you, so you can do the WhatsApp group call. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Ross.
Thank you, Kak.
Yeah. Okay, it's back here. Yeah, I think that's all for the discussion. I will put the conclusion after this. If there is no topic that you will discuss, so I will finish it the Scrum today, and then for the next, I will just discuss it with the Abrar. I will chat you on the Slack, yeah, Abrar, yeah. Okay, yes, Jing.
Okay, I got an update. So the community page, the trusted. I'll call my project. Oh, two things actually. One, do we get the recording for Pak Eka, Tendi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Please upload it and share it in the discussion so we can take a look at that. Yeah, so that's one. Two, I'm calling my project the Book Vista Trusted Community. So this is where we bring together all the people who are involved in the development of a villa or any property, right? Like we said before, architects, bankers, LPD people, whatever, right? So part of that, what I'm doing now is I got two people. I got two architects coming this afternoon. Oh, I can't go swimming now. Damn it. Okay. No. Maybe I can go swimming a little bit. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I got two architects coming this afternoon to be part of this discussion. And if you guys want to come, I'll invite you. They're for only half an hour. One guy, his name is Made Sulendra, and I'll invite you, Tendi, to attend as well. And what this is about is essentially like this. It's essentially like an interview on behalf of the owner. Okay, so imagine you're the owner of a property. What kind of questions would you want to ask this architect? Like, what is the pricing? How does it work? Can you show me some of your materials? The idea behind that is later, when we recommend people, we can just say, hey, look, I had an interview with this guy. You can watch the interview and you'll see how architects work, right? So it's essentially like a BDE talk. It's like a startup masterclass, but the intended audience is not an employee. The intended audience is partner. So I think this is actually pretty interesting because most of the time, if you want to build a property, there's not a lot of information, surprisingly, right? There's not a lot of like good quality content. So hopefully we can be one of the producers of that. All right, that's it. So yeah, that's
Okay.
that's it.
Then, okay, for the partner talk already recorded here on the Facebook group. I think we'll also put here, and then Gaby already make the summary of the
Excellent.
video, and then we'll post by today actually. And then also maybe for the architect, I will put on the Facebook post as well. So this can be one of the content, like the video of the talk.
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So I will attend for the talk. What time, sir? Oh, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I've already invited you. I'll invite a few other people too. I'll invite Ross and Abrar too as well if you guys want to come along. This is good for your. And I don't know if you want to build a property later. This might be good for that too.
Okay then, thank you, sir, for joining the Scrum today. Thank you, Abrar and Ross. So I will let you guys to continue work. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you.
Have a good day, everyone. See
Thank
ya.
you.
Bye, Ross. Bye, Abrar.